Welcome to Topics TV. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and speed as we count down the top 10 most expensive cars in the world in 2025. These are the ultimate dream machines, built for performance, prestige, and pure extravagance. Let's get started. Number 10. Bugatti Divo. The Bugatti Divo is an exclusive hypersports car, paying tribute to French racing icon Albert Divo. Limited to just 40 units, it features a distinctive aerodynamic design, fine-tuned for track performance with improved suspension and reduced weight. Under the hood, an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine produces a staggering 1,500 horsepower at 6,700 RPM. The Divo is priced at $5.8 million. Number 9. Pagani Huayra Imola Roadster. The Pagani Huayra Imola Roadster, crafted by the Grandi Complicazioni division, is a rare masterpiece. Weighing only 1,260 kilograms, its elongated design and active aerodynamics enhance efficiency. Powered by a Pagani 512 engine, it delivers 850 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, seamlessly channeled through a 7-speed transversal sequential gearbox renowned for its lightning-fast shifts. The price is $6 million. Number 8. Pagani Huayra Codalunga. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga is an exclusive hypercar with only 5 custom-built units sold before its public debut. It features a powerful Pagani 512 engine, delivering 840 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. Its extended rear engine cover, spanning over 3.7 square meters and 360 millimeters longer than the Huayra coupes, elegantly conceals this engineering marvel. The price is $7 million. Number 7. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. The Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is a unique, fully functional concept car commissioned by Fulda, a Goodyear subsidiary, to test their Karat Exelero tires. It houses a twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 690 horsepower and 752 foot-pounds of torque. Its design blends modern aesthetics with inspiration from the Maybach SW38, built on the Maybach 57 platform. The price is $8 million. Number 6. Bugatti Centodieci. The Bugatti Centodieci is an ultra-exclusive hypercar designed as a tribute to the legendary Bugatti EB110, celebrating the brand's 110th anniversary. With only 10 units produced, it is 20 kilograms lighter and more powerful than the Chiron. Boasting an incredible 1,578 brake horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds. The W16 engine, housed beneath an EB110-inspired glass cover, pays homage to its iconic predecessor. The price is $9 million. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail pioneered the Rolls-Royce coach build program, embodying true luxury and exclusivity. Its sleek, tapered design, gracefully falling waist rail, and signature swept tail exude elegance. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, highlighting the finest materials. Powered by a 6.8-liter V12 engine with 453 brake horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.6 seconds. The price is $13 million. Number 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is a rare open-top supercar inspired by the classic Barchetta race cars of the 1950s. It is powered by a naturally aspirated M120 V12 engine, developed exclusively by Mercedes-AMG, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for a pure driving experience. With a lightweight 1,250-kilogram body, it delivers unmatched agility and immersion on the road. The price is $17 million. Number 3. Bugatti, La Voiture Noire. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, honoring the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic. This minimalist coupe boasts an 8.0-liter W16 engine, delivering a staggering 1,500 PS and 1,600 Nm of torque. Its sleek, handcrafted body exudes elegance, while 6 rear exhaust pipes hint at its raw power. The price is $18.7 million. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a bespoke luxury masterpiece, inspired by the elegant yachts of the 1920s and 30s. Its butterfly-style rear deck opens to reveal a hosting suite, complete with a parasol and rotating cocktail tables. A highlight of its craftsmanship is the dual-sided timepieces, created in a 3-year collaboration with Beauvais 1822, which can be worn or mounted as car clocks. The price is $28 million. Finally, at number 1, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. The Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail is an ultra-exclusive 2-seat roadster inspired by the black Baccarat rose. Limited to just 4 units, it features 1,603 pieces of black sycamore veneer parquetry, a process that took nearly 2 years to develop and over 9 months to craft. Its bespoke, true love paint shifts shades under different lighting, mirroring the changing hues of rose petals. The price is $30 million.